If you want sleek, handle-free drawers, the Woodpeckers Ultra-Shear V-Groove finger grip bits are a game-changer for modern cabinetry. These American-made bits feature a unique two-flute carbide-tip geometry that slices cleanly through wood, leaving a smooth finish without the fuzzy grain you often get from standard V-grooves. Available in both 1/4 and 1/2-inch shanks, they are perfect for engraving, sign-making, or creating crisp folding miter joints. The specialized Ultra-Shear design means significantly less sanding and perfect edges every time you run your router. Secure, clamp, and work hands-free with the MatchFit Dovetail Ratchet Clamp AP. Its unique dovetail design fits seamlessly into your workbench tracks, providing powerful, unobstructed clamping. The ratchet mechanism ensures quick and controlled pressure adjustments, making it ideal for woodworking and assembly. Say goodbye to bulky clamps getting in your way. Its durable construction guarantees long-term performance, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Whether you're routing, sanding, or assembling, this clamp keeps everything locked in place. A perfect addition to any woodworker's arsenal. Need a firm grip for your woodworking projects? These GreatNeck precision bar clamps are your ultimate companion. Designed for strength and ease, they offer secure clamping with smooth operation. The quick-release trigger makes adjusting effortless, while the durable build ensures long-lasting performance. Whether gluing, assembling, or holding materials steady, these clamps deliver unmatched reliability. Say goodbye to slipping parts and hello to precision. Perfect for professionals and DIYers alike, they are a must-have in any shop. Get a solid grip on your work and achieve flawless results every time. Transform your workbench with the MatchFit Grid Router Guide. This innovative system helps you create dovetail track grids effortlessly, eliminating the need for bulky clamps. Perfect for repeatable precision, it ensures secure work holding without interference. Just route, slide, and lock in place. Whether you're making jigs or setting up an efficient workspace, this tool speeds up your workflow. No more drilling holes everywhere. Just a clean, organized, and versatile grid system. Get ready for next-level accuracy and efficiency in your woodworking projects. Speed up your joinery with the Kreg Foreman Pocket Hole Machine. Designed for professionals and hobbyists, this tool allows you to drill pocket holes effortlessly with a single pull. The adjustable depth settings ensure perfect joints every time, while the built-in vacuum port keeps your workspace clean. Say goodbye to tedious drilling and hello to rapid, repeatable precision. Whether you're building cabinets, furniture, or framing projects, this machine delivers rock-solid connections in seconds. It's compact, easy to use, and saves tons of time. Get ready to revolutionize your woodworking game. Take your pocket hole joinery to the next level with the POWERTEC two-way pocket hole clamp. This tool securely holds your workpieces in place, ensuring tight and perfectly aligned joints every time. The dual-action design applies even pressure from both directions, preventing shifting or misalignment. Whether you're assembling furniture, cabinetry, or frames, this clamp guarantees accuracy. Its durable steel construction ensures longevity, making it an essential addition to any workshop. Say goodbye to gaps and weak joints. This clamp makes assembly effortless. Build with confidence and precision today. Perfectly align your materials with the kewanqi 4PC's corner clamp set. Designed for 90-degree right-angle precision, these clamps make framing, cabinet making, and box assembly a breeze. The adjustable aluminum alloy swing jaw provides a firm hold, ensuring accurate joints every time. Whether you're working on photo frames or large wooden structures, these clamps keep your projects aligned and secure. Say goodbye to frustrating misalignments with an ergonomic single-handle grip and a sturdy build. These are a must-have for any woodworker. Get perfect corners with ease. Meet your new versatile workspace, the LEADALLWAY 7-in-1 Folding Portable Workbench. This multifunctional station acts as a workbench, scaffold, sawhorse, and more, making it an essential companion for any workshop. Designed for portability, it folds easily for storage and transport, while its sturdy build supports heavy-duty tasks. Whether you're cutting, drilling, or assembling, this workbench adapts to your needs. Say goodbye to cluttered workspaces and hello to efficiency. Ideal for professionals and hobbyists alike, it's the ultimate workstation upgrade. Bring convenience to your projects today. Get a rock-solid grip with the ViewReal 3/4 bench dog clamps. These heavy-duty clamps fit snugly into your workbench holes, providing superior hold for woodworking and metalworking tasks. Their high-tension clamping force ensures zero movement, keeping your materials secure. Designed for precision, they allow for one-handed operation, making adjustments easy. Whether you're sanding, routing, or gluing, these clamps are built to handle it all. Durable and efficient, they're a must-have addition to any serious workshop. Say goodbye to shifting workpieces and hello to absolute stability. Secure your projects with the GOEHNER's multi-purpose bench vise. This compact but powerful vise provides a solid grip, making cutting, drilling, and shaping tasks easier than ever. Its 360-degree swivel base allows for versatile positioning, ensuring the perfect angle every time. The durable steel body and adjustable jaws ensure longevity and reliability for all kinds of tasks. Whether you're working with wood, metal, or plastic, this vise holds everything in place. Say goodbye to wobbly setups. This tool guarantees precision and stability in every project. Lock down your projects effortlessly with the MAXPOWER ratcheting table clamp. Engineered for quick adjustments, this clamp provides a firm and secure hold without slipping. Its ratcheting mechanism allows for one-handed operation, making setup incredibly easy. Whether you're securing materials for cutting, gluing, or sanding, this tool ensures stability. The durable steel construction guarantees long-lasting performance, while the ergonomic grip enhances comfort. No more struggling with loose workpieces. This clamp gives you the confidence to work with precision, a must-have for any serious craftsman. The SimpleScribe makes marking precise lines on uneven surfaces effortless. With an adjustable roller design, it glides smoothly to trace accurate contours, ensuring perfect cuts every time. Whether you're trimming floors or fitting cabinets, this tool eliminates guesswork. It's lightweight, easy to use, and built for both professionals and DIYers. Say goodbye to uneven gaps and misaligned panels. With a firm grip and adjustable depth, it adapts to any surface. Perfect for carpenters, remodelers, and woodworkers, it's your go-to tool for clean, professional results. If you love working with wood, the Powermatic PM 2014 lathe is your dream machine. With a powerful 1-horsepower motor and variable speed control, it delivers unmatched precision. The cast iron build ensures stability, while the digital readout lets you fine-tune your projects. Whether you're turning bowls, spindles, or intricate designs, it handles everything with ease. The extended bed design allows for larger projects without compromising accuracy. Its quiet operation keeps your workspace pleasant, and the easy belt changes make speed adjustments effortless. This is the ultimate tool for wood-turning enthusiasts who demand performance and reliability. Take your creativity to the next level with the Fox Alien CNC Router Masuder 3. This advanced CNC machine is perfect for engraving, cutting, and carving wood, plastic, and even soft metals. With a sturdy frame and high-torque stepper motors, it delivers precise results every time. Its user-friendly interface allows beginners to start quickly, while advanced users can fine-tune settings for custom projects. The large working area gives you flexibility for different designs, making it ideal for hobbyists and professionals. Whether crafting signs, decorations, or prototypes, this CNC router lets you bring ideas to life effortlessly. Moving heavy doors just got easier with the Trend Door Skate. This innovative tool supports and transports doors effortlessly, reducing strain on your back. The rubberized rollers grip securely, ensuring smooth movement across any surface. Whether installing, adjusting, or painting doors, this skate saves time and effort. Its compact design makes it easy to store, and the durable construction ensures long-term use. Simply position the door, tilt it onto the skate, and glide it into place. Whether you're a carpenter, contractor, or DIY enthusiast, this tool takes the hassle out of handling doors, making every job easier. Achieve seamless joints with the MPower Perfect Butt Profile Scriber. This tool makes scribing and fitting work a breeze by allowing you to trace perfect profiles on various materials. Whether joining countertops, skirting boards, or panels, it ensures precise alignment every time. The adjustable design lets you match different thicknesses, eliminating gaps and misfits. No more trial and error. This tool gives professional results instantly. Its ergonomic grip and durable build make it easy to use and long-lasting. If you demand accuracy in your woodworking projects, this is the perfect tool to have in your arsenal. Meet the ultimate joinery tool, the Mafell Duo Doweler DDF40. It's designed to create strong and precise dowel joints faster than ever. With dual drill bits, it ensures perfect alignment, making it ideal for furniture making and cabinetry. The adjustable depth settings let you customize joint strength based on your project. It's portable, powerful, and eliminates the need for complex jigs. Whether working with solid wood, MDF, or plywood, this tool guarantees rock-solid connections. Say goodbye to misaligned dowels and weak joints. This tool delivers unmatched accuracy and efficiency. Installing cabinet handles and knobs has never been easier than with the Kreg Cabinet Hardware Jig Pro. This tool eliminates guesswork by providing precise drilling templates for perfect alignment. Adjustable guides let you set hole spacing effortlessly, making installation quick and accurate. Whether working on drawers, doors, or kitchen cabinets, this jig saves time and frustration. Its durable build ensures long-lasting performance, and the ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip. If you want professional-looking cabinet installations every time, this tool is a must-have in your toolkit. The Kreg Portable Work Surface is the ultimate workbench for on-the-go projects. With a sturdy yet lightweight design, it provides a stable platform for cutting, drilling, and assembling. The integrated clamping system keeps materials secure, while the foldable legs make it easy to transport and store. Whether you're working in a workshop or on a job site, this portable surface offers unmatched versatility. It pairs perfectly with other Kreg tools, enhancing your workflow and efficiency. Say goodbye to wobbly workspaces. This work surface ensures precision and stability wherever you need it. For strong and seamless wood joints, the Kreg Pocket Hole Jig K4 is a must-have. This tool simplifies pocket hole joinery, making it perfect for cabinets, frames, and furniture projects. With an adjustable drill guide, it accommodates various material thicknesses, ensuring professional results. The sturdy clamp system holds workpieces firmly in place, reducing movement and errors. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this jig makes assembling wood projects faster and easier. It's the key to creating rock-solid connections that stand the test of time. The Veritas Cabinet Scraper is a precision hand tool that delivers ultra-smooth wood surfaces without the need for sandpaper. Its finely machined steel body and comfortable grip allow for controlled, effortless scraping. Whether removing glue, smoothing grain, or refining finishes, this tool excels where sanders struggle. It's perfect for restoring furniture, cabinetry, and woodworking projects that demand fine detail. With adjustable tension settings, you can customize the cutting depth for optimal results. Say hello to glass-smooth finishes with this essential scraping tool. Achieve straight, precise cuts every time with Rockler's straight-line rip-hold-down clamps. These innovative clamps keep workpieces firmly in place, preventing movement during cutting. The adjustable design allows for various material sizes, ensuring flexibility and control. Whether using a table saw, router, or jigsaw, these clamps provide the stability needed for accurate results. The non-marring pads protect your workpiece from damage while offering a firm grip. Perfect for woodworkers who demand consistency and precision. These clamps make straight-line cutting effortless. Stop struggling with trial-and-error dado cuts inside your table saw and switch to the Woodpeckers dado setup fixture and gap gauges. This brilliant system lets you build and measure your dado stack comfortably on your workbench, using the gap gauge to match the blade width precisely to your plywood thickness. It mounts securely to any vise or 20mm bench holes, replicating your saw's arbor for a safe and accurate setup. Once you dial in the perfect fit with the large knurled knob, you can transfer the entire stack to your saw, knowing it will cut perfectly the very first time. Keep your workshop clean and dust-free with the Rockler Dust Right Mountable Dust Hood. Designed to capture airborne sawdust and debris, it connects easily to dust collection systems. The large opening maximizes airflow, improving suction and efficiency. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the mountable design allows for flexible placement. Whether using a planer, jointer, or router table, this dust hood helps maintain a healthier workspace. Say goodbye to dust-covered surfaces and hello to cleaner air in your shop. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.